In this video, we'll explore the very first thing you see when you log into ERPNext, and that is the desk. And I'll walk you through everything right here on screen. In the ERPNext desk, each of these tiles that you see here represent a module, all right? The ones that you see to the left. And ERPNext only shows you the modules you have permissions for. If you are a salesperson, you will only see sales. Selling is somewhere, this one. If you are an accountant, you will only see accounting. If you are an HR, I have not installed the HR module, but you should see HR and probably payroll, and so on and so forth. If you are an admin like me, you're going to see everything here. When I click on the module like selling, for example, you go inside the selling dashboard, which is ideally called the workspace. We are going to look at the workspace in the next video. If I click back, then go to accounting, I see the same, but this one is for accountants. So this is accounting. So this ideally is the workspace for accountants. So on the side, you have this menu, which are ideally modules. And then inside each module, you have what is called the workspace. So this is the workspace of the accounting module. This is the workspace of the selling module. This is the workspace of the CRM, and so on and so forth. Every module is therefore in ERPNext organized neatly into a structure that you can follow. And that is what ideally we are calling, or that is what Frappe and ERPNext decided to call a workspace. So, the desk is simply a clean visual overview of all the business areas you can access. From here, you go into the real day-to-day tools inside each and every module. So, this is the desk, and then here you have this place where you have each of the details of this module. In the next video, we'll go deeper into workspaces. Workspaces is, remember this space here, the screens where your daily tasks actually happen.